Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use a VPN on any Android. A virtual private network, or VPN, keeps your internet activities private with a secure encrypted connection, a bit like using a private tunnel between your device and internet. It stops others from seeing your browsing habits and location. To use VPN from your Android device, you can either download a VPN app or obtain the VPN settings from your provider to enter into your phone settings. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a VPN with an Android device using both methods. For this instruction, we'll use the fast connection and high security VPN provided app. But first, go to the Settings app, then search for VPN. If your VPN isn't displayed, enter a VPN search. Select the VPN and click Connect. The other option is go to Play Store and search VPN. VPN any what you want, but I will click on VPN Pro. After the download, click Open. Once the app launches, enter your credentials. Then, select the power button to connect the VPN. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.